Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. It's finally autumn, which means that we can decorate for Halloween, and this is what we're gonna do today, and I'm taking you with me. We're gonna craft, we're gonna go shopping, and we're gonna decorate. So the vision I'm going for is sort of a cozy autumn witch, if that makes sense, with a little hint of childhood nostalgia. There's something about the old Halloween movies that have like magic spells that are bright green and purple. You know what I mean, right? Sort of the idea behind it. The vision. So without further ado, let's get going. Alright, so we're gonna start by checking out the decorations that we already got. Don't look at the mess. It's a work in progress. Is that trash? I think it's trash. Ew, why is this dirty? This is like supposed to be a tray, and I think I put muffins on there potentially last year. You can see the grease. Ooh, oh my god, that's not Halloween related, but oh my god, do you remember Diskettes? Do you guys remember Sagwa as well? As you can see, I was obsessed. Oh my god, I have pictures of Sakura Card Captor. Literally still obsessed. Ooh, big ass spider. There used to be a picture in there. Jackpot. Just a bunch of spiders that I bought in Europe for absolutely no reason. Like, people buy regular souvenirs when they go on trips, and I bring this back home. We used to decorate my house with these when I was in elementary school. So yeah, I'm putting this somewhere. This one, part of the same lot. Cute as fuck. I used to sleep with that one. Isn't it so cute? It actually looks like it's seen things. It's like, bitch, take me out. We love a good inner peace death. I don't know if I'm feeling the skull vibe this Halloween. I got this limited edition Jack Skellington. We'll find a spot for him and his coffin. Okay, this ain't a decoration, but it's sort of like an accessory. This is also for babies. I might just give it to my nephew, but I also low-key like it. It was dusty. This one's a little ghost. Okay, so here's a picture that goes with the frame. I don't know, I really like it. That was it for that box. I'm gonna have a look around, see if there's anything else. You did not hear that. This is my worst nightmare, and it's literally following me home. Okay, so I got crafty and made some Harry Potter inspired fake candles. Thank you, Pinterest, by putting some hot glue on toilet paper rolls, and then I painted them white and also painted some black, which turned out pretty cool. So I bought on Amazon these LED candle lights that come with a remote. Since I'm gonna be hanging them, like, it's gonna be hard to turn them on all one by one. Shit. It works. Okay. We're going shopping. So I thought that by placing what I already had, so I'm just gonna back up, it was gonna give me inspiration to what I should buy to add next to the room, but it didn't do that. We're going to Michael's. I know this shit's often way too expensive, but last year around this same time, keeping in mind that it's like we're like the 25th of September, around this time there were already some Christmas decorations at Michael's, so I'm expecting some discounts. I'm losing my mind. I want everything. Oh my god, that cost so much money. But I'm not, like, I'm okay with it. I'm not disappointed one bit. Look at this. There was a lot of emotions.
a lot of emotion. Also, I broke something just by touching it. I just wanted to see what was behind it. I just touched it, and that little handle thing that was on it just like decided to stay on the hook, but not the whole thing with it. Someone was just passing by too. I'm gonna fucking scream.
Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. I don't want to play alone. Please come and play with me. I'm so lonely.
Oh.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
I love her. Oh my god, now somebody catch my... Can we turn it off? Come on, buttons. There's no button. I love that.
Michael's haul. I'm like so excited about everything I got. The first thing that I put in my cart, this. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely wanted cushions for the couches. I was thinking the couch here behind me in the living room, even though we never sit there. I saw that one and I was like, this goes this goes in the cart. Look at it. I just can't wait for the moment that my cat will come nap near it, and I'll snap a picture and I'll post it to Instagram. It's just gonna be iconic. That one is kind of simple, but like I've been dreaming about it ever since I saw it for some odd reason. I mean, it's not that odd, but it's that one. And like if I put these two on the couch together, kind of gonna be nice together. This thing, I know I'm gonna have it in the kitchen all year long, but it's this thing. It's cute. This cauldron. Look at this cauldron. It's beautiful. It has tiny, teeny frogs as feet. And now, la pièce de résistance. It's too big. I don't even know if it's in frame. The witch's lair. Apothecary. The fact that this one said apothecary just spoke to me. It like came right to my heart and was like, take me home, mama. So I did. I took it home. It's beautiful! Got some autumn leaves here. I think these are thistles. It looks like a thistle to me. Okay, now it's time for a Walmart haul. I got carried away again, but I don't think I bought too much. Let's start with this one. As soon as I saw him, I was like, I need to take him home. I mean, look at him! And then I saw these. I wanted to get something similar at Michael's, but it was really expensive. But there's a very similar one at Walmart, and here it is. I also got this garland thing. Okay, so it's kind of cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but it is quite cute. I also got this one thing that I thought was so cute. Oh yes, it's so Edgar Allan Poe-y. I love it. And it's like a little crystal ball. I just want to carry it all the time like this and shake it, shake it, shake it. This one thing is for the outside part, but I'll show you anyway because it's part of the whole. It's a little piece, but it's a skeleton. The other things that I got, I just couldn't resist. Look at him. Oh dude, look at him. He's so cute. And I mean, I had to get him a friend, and I got this one. Don't they match perfectly? Aren't they just gonna be best friends forever?
This is why I shouldn't be trusted with money.
Okay, so we're starting the decoration process in my living room. I want the vibe in the living room to be sort of a cozy witch kind of thing. So even though we never sit here, we already got that candle going on. Yeah, baby. Fun fact, we've had this gourd since last year. It doesn't smell, but I'd be curious to see what's inside. Or not. Maybe I don't want to see that. Is it time to throw it out? But it's so cute. I'm actually gonna put it back in, like, here. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna need to ask my mom when she's gonna move her plant, because if she moves it for autumn, like, I could have a little table, probably that one here, set up here, and then have that thing on there. I had this like epiphany where I was just like, we could put our keys in there once we get in, but then I realized we don't enter the house from that door. Wow. But still would be cute for when the few times if we do enter the house.
You do.
I also feel like I could do something really nice with that place, like also could have that cauldron there, but I feel bad for removing all the pictures. It's cute. Again, we don't sit in the living room. Why don't I'm spending so much time on that room, but okay, I like it here, but also I had other plans for it though, so let's try first before we settle. There's this place here where you put a painting that I made. And then there's that area where I film with the brick. I think it could look nice. It looks nice with the brick. Oh, it really does. But that thing is a pain in the arse. The colors really match, but at the same time, it doesn't pop as much, does it? I like this one there, but I think it looks a little naked on that giant wall compared to this, taking up the whole space, which is really nice too. I might just flip them. That wall might just be really hard to fill in. This one's nice there. You guys tell me if I'm just stupid or if something is wrong. This is something I don't understand. Wait. Est-ce que à l'envers? Ah oui, c'est écrit à l'envers. I'm not crazy. This N is upside down, right? That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about all the decorations. Also, don't hesitate to tag me on Instagram to show me what you did in your home. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a like. It always makes me very happy. And that way you'll make sure that you're not missing out on all of my other October videos. I'll see you very soon. In the meantime, you can follow me on all of my social medias to see what I do, and I'll see you soon.